Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And as I have mentioned already in my past few videos that I have been facing a lot of hair fall for the past 6 months due to my pregnancy, and now it is getting back to normal, and I just thought I'll just share my hair care routine with all of you. It's not that when you use these products it will get back to normal, but this is what I am using and I get a lot of questions regarding hair fall, so that is the reason I am making this video. It doesn't in any way mean that if you apply these products your hair fall will get stopped after pregnancy. No, you have to keep your diet well balanced and you have to have your protein either via veg or like dal, or via non-veg if you have eggs and chicken. So yes, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Now before starting off with the video, I want to mention about the products which I have used on my face. So because I do get a lot of requests on what products I'm using, like what lipstick shade, so I might miss it. So I am using the Etude Fixing Tint in the shade Soft Walnut 06 on my lips a little bit, and before that I have used Love Etc lip balm, which is a bit tinted in the shade Cherished, I guess. And yeah, this is the one which I've used, not fully, but I have just put on 3-4 dots and I've used this. And on my cheeks I've applied a little bit of Blue Heaven Chicken Eye Gel Blue. This is the one. And this I have used Mars Cancel Concealer, which I have showcased in my earlier videos, a little bit on my spots, just 1 or 2 spots over here and over here and here, 1 or 2 spots. Yeah, that's all. Very minimal concealer. So yeah, this is what I am wearing, and that's all about what I have worn. And I have applied a little bit of mascara, the Fay Beauty. Now let's get started. The first and foremost thing which I wanted to talk about are the hair care serums. Now the Wishcare hair growth serum concentrate, I didn't apply it actually, just 2 or 3 pumps were remaining, so I finished it off and it is over. I might or might not repurchase, I'm not sure, but as of now I am finishing the Bontress Pro Hair Serum. This is also a good one. I used to use this before my pregnancy and I just thought of using it up. And also I am using the Bodywise hair growth serum roll on, which is what I am applying on my crown area. Now this part of my hair has grown back to normal. As you can see, there are a lot of many small hairs, but this is the part where I am focusing on currently with the Bodywise. I will update you. This is at least better than before, but still I do expect a lot of results with this one. So yeah, after I finish this bottle I will showcase. So these are the 2 hair serums I am presently using. Apart from that, the hair mask which I am using are this Argan Oil and Lavender, Love Beauty and Planet. I have used quite a lot of it. And the second one which I am using is the L'Oreal Professionnel Paris Absolut Repair, and this I have almost used up completely, and this I got as a sample and I am planning to repurchase it in the full, like the fuller one, the bigger one. And yes, this goes off well so much with this L'Oreal Professionnel Absolute Repair shampoo. This shampoo is also staying for a long time because I have short hair and I am really liking this combo, and I apply this as a conditioner rather than as a mask. And yeah, I have almost emptied this one. I have emptied multiple bottles of this Hyaluronic Moisture 72 hours moisture sealing conditioner. This is best, like the best affordable conditioner you can get in the market, and always go for the bigger bottle. You will always get some discount on Amazon. And then I also use Hydra Filling Night Cream, but this is still not over. I have been using this for a long time and it is still not over. That's because I miss it a lot of times. Only when your hair is long and a bit frizzy you can use this. If your hair is short, I don't think you need it, but still if your hair is very frizzy, you can definitely try using this on your end. The next product which I would recommend is this Bare Anatomyheat Protection Spray. If you are styling your hair, I don't style my hair so often, but whenever I do apply this one. So this is still a lot of product is left because I hardly do any styling. So these are few of the products which I'm using now. As per shampoos, I have used up also Bare Anatomy shampoos. Those are very good. I have thrown those away, but I will leave it on the screen for your reference. I have made also multiple videos in the past mentioning the same. Also, I have used some medicated shampoo which I'll be mentioning over here, and also I did apply one more hair serum which I didn't apply regularly, but yeah, I didn't see any results because at that time my hair was like falling like crazy, so I stopped using it. And now I'm starting to like use the hair serums. So I do prefer medicated hair serums over all the over the counter hair serums, but yeah, this Wishcare is good. That's why I have emptied it, and yes, I might repurchase in the future, but as of now I have quite a lot of medicated hair serums which I might need to finish. So yeah, this is a pretty basic video. I am not like recommending a lot of products, because I am just recommending the products which I'm currently using. And yeah, that's all. And I really love this combo, which is working great for my hair, and I would definitely ask you to pick up this during the sale season. So yes, those are all the things which I'm using for my hair. And please stay healthy and have a lot of good nutritious food. Sleep for a good amount of time, which I might not be having now, but yes, I will definitely try my best to have 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily. And yes, I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then.